y'all. So I bought this Us t-shirt at work, and I don't know if you can see this, but it's very like stiff and it's very stiff and kind of weird and really like fit that well, and it's kind of crazy. I don't know. I just can't see myself like wearing this. So I don't know if you can see the back, but in the back it says watch yourself. On the side it says Us, and then on the other side Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights 2019, which is pretty cool, I guess, you know, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling it, so we're gonna do some DIY stuff. Do I know what I'm doing? No, but I've watched enough YouTube videos that I think that pretty much makes me a pro, so let's get some scissors and get some scissors. Let's do it. So for materials, let me show you what I got. Now, I didn't buy anything for this. This is stuff that I already had. So I had some pieces of red felt, and I figured I would use this to cut out the little Hands Across America dolls. And I cut out a little template on a piece of paper, 2 rows from each sheet. So I'll cut one from the bottom and then flip it over and cut one from the top. And I'll just transfer this onto like a harder like cardstock and do that. I also have, you know, since it's America themed, I have this American flag bandana that I just used to wrap my hair, but I haven't used it in a while, so I'll probably just use it on this project. The only thing that sucks about this, in the corner it says 100% cotton made in China, so I'll definitely be getting rid of that. No offense to China, but it's an American flag. So look at all this red and white. Oh my goodness. So basically I took the shirt off, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crop it because it's just too long and it hits at a weird place. Also cut out some dolls out of the felt. Cut out 2 pieces. Here's the thing though. So I started sewing this because I just don't think this felt is gonna last. Like, I feel like the first time I washed this, can you guys see that? Can you see that? It's not focusing. Anyway, I started sewing it because I thought, yeah, sewing it, great idea. Because I just feel like this isn't gonna last. I feel like the first time I wash this, it's just gonna like fall apart. But, you know, honestly, I don't know how it's gonna go. I started sewing all the way around, and then I ran out of thread here. And then I just got kind of tired, and I was like, do I really need to do this step? I don't know. I've never done this. I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna do it, okay? So if you don't think I should be doing this, you should probably come over and stop me. All right, let's do it. Hey guys, low-key stressed I put on some sample lipstick and it's like way too fucking light. Anyway, here's a recap. I cropped the shirt and then I cut off the piece of my flag bandana that said made in China because, and I put the dolls on it to be like, you know, hands across America. And I was thinking, okay, well, should I just sew it by hand? But I think I should actually take the sewing machine out and use the sewing machine. My only hesitation is that I haven't used that sewing machine in a number of years. And I just don't want to ruin my shirt because, like, I did pay like $20 for it. And, I mean, it's pretty ruined. It's ruined, you know, if we're being real. I also decided, since the sleeves were kind of long, I just cut off, like, the elastic on the sleeves. And I left the words and everything. But, you know, the sleeves were just too long for my liking. So I pinned all this down and then I'm going to sew it. I guess I'm going to have to take the sewing machine out, which I really don't want to do. And I realized while making this that I'm hungry, so I'm just going to stop and, like, eat really quick. Guys, so here's my sewing machine. Just busted it out of the box over here. Let's do it. So there's the front, and then there's the back. I did it. I freaking did it. So I've been watching a lot of Blueprint DIY videos, and she's so freaking creative. I felt inspired, and when I bought that shirt and it wasn't fitting right, I just knew, like, it's time for me to give this a try. So check out the link in the description to find Blueprint DIY's channel. You can't leave comments or anything, which really sucks, but she has an Instagram. I also have an Instagram, so follow me. It's at Bryant with a 0 instead of an O. In hindsight, you know, looking back, I probably should have just made it an O, but whatever. Whatever. Follow me on Instagram. I usually post stories and stuff like that. I'm gonna post pictures of the shirt. I want to try to do like a setup, like put a backdrop and everything, and like really, you know, give it an effort just because it'll be fun and I want to do it. Update of Halloween Horror Nights. We just wrapped week 4 and we're on to week 5. Whatever, we're halfway done. My script is 34 pages. I have to do laundry today, and I have to write and upload this video. So yeah, I should probably do that. Thanks for watching this video.